Good morning everyone, hope you are doing well. It's just a normal day today and I wanted to bring you along as everything unfolds naturally throughout the day. Nothing fancy, just a real look at my day and productive moments and everything in between. By the way, this is Sadiqul Saad, a computer science student studying in Malaysia, and welcome back to another realistic productive day in my live video. So, grab a coffee, sit back and let's get started. I started my day with a lecture class. That was pretty early in the morning. Getting up that early is honestly not easy sometimes, and I am sure a lot of you know that feeling. Once I got there, I just tried to stay focused and follow along with the lecture as it went on. After that, I move on to my second class. Here I started working on tasks based on the class. So I just followed the instructions and completed the activities step by step. While I was working, my laptop battery started dropping fast. So I had to plug in it and continue my work. Later, I did some quizzes for the attendance. Then I went for the lab class. I was a bit late, but attendance was based on submitting the class work. So I quickly started working on it. After completing everything, I submitted my work before moving on. From there, I was waiting for the next lab class. During the break, I used the time to call my friend and just talk for a while before heading back to the next session. During that lab class, I worked on coding for the application. I went through kept building and testing as I progressed. Once I finished, I took a break and watched others play volleyball. It was a nice way to relax and step away from the work for a while. It was a pretty busy day with 4 classes in total, and things kept moving from one session to another. That's pretty much how my day went. Thanks for watching and spending the day with me. I will see you in the next video.